Hello everybody and welcome back inside the box for another episode of Gunpla Kitbash with me, Kukamatsu. In this episode we're going to be trying to attach the new foot to the original leg. So let's jump right in. So the plan for today is to try and figure out how to get this new foot attached to the old leg, or to the original leg. I kind of want it to sit something like that. It would be nice if we could keep this original ball joint. What I'm kind of thinking is to just cut this section out and then glue it right here. Okay, so the idea is that it will fit in right there. I actually want this to be right down in there. So what I am thinking, to pop this guy off, this guy comes out this way. Oops. That peg was in, it wasn't there, it just pulls straight out. What I'm thinking of is just taking it out completely and putting that one directly, gluing it in there. And then the one thing that we do need from this part is this peg here. So if I cut it with that plate still intact, then I can glue it, whoops, I can glue it to the front of that piece, and then this piston will be able to attach to it. So if it's there, glue it to there, and then that guy can still attach. So that's the plan I'm going to go with. If you've been watching the last few episodes or been following along in the series, you will know already that this isn't so much a how-to channel, more of a how-I channel, meaning this is how I do it. And I'm still learning, I'm still figuring it out, as we all are. So I'm totally open to hearing your ideas about how to make things better, how to do things better. Right, so the plan is to glue it right in there and glue this plate to the front. So let's trim that off. I use my locking forceps again on this guy just to hold it so I don't get my fingers too close. See, there's a little lock down here, and then to open it you just lock and open. And it's great. I really recommend getting some of these for this kind of thing where it's just too small to hold on to and you don't want to get your fingers in there. You do have to be careful though. Don't stick your fingers in there, because if you're going and it pops off, then your finger gets stuck in between those things. So just be aware of that if you're going to use this. But so that gives us the plate and the peg, and we want to glue it on the front of this right here. Oop. Try not to glue your fingers to the part. I do believe that's going to work. Let's get our leg on there. See? Cool. So we will have to clear out some of that right there to get it to work. I'm just going to go for it and chop it off with my nippers. So, ready to commit. I'm going to glue that part in. Feels nice and strong. Well, I have to say I'm pretty pleased with how that turned out. I was kind of worried that it was going to be a lot more difficult than it turned out to be. So that brings us to the end of episode 7. In the next episode, we'll be trying to sort out the top panel of the foot and maybe add some mechanical bits to fill in some spaces. We'll see how it goes. So if you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you give me a like down below and subscribe if you want to follow along, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.